Okay, boys and girls, we're ready to go again. Second graders, I got cut off there. So this is page 225, and we're going to talk about a digital clock today. So let me get my marker going. On a digital clock, the number on the left shows the hour, and the number on the right shows the minutes after the hour. So 6 is the hour, 00, that means o'clock, okay? O'clock. And remember that 00 is when the minute hand is straight up and down, just like it is on these clocks right here. When it's pointing to the 12, that means o'clock. Okay, so we're going to tell time in two different ways. We're going to do it with the analog clock and also the minute or the digital clock. Let's look at number 15. Let's look at the hour hand first. It is pointing to the 7. The minute hand is straight up and down on the 12, and so it is 7 o'clock. And if we were to write that on a digital clock, it would just be 7. That's our hour, 00, no minutes, 7 o'clock. All right, let's try the next one. Our hand is pointing to the, good, 8. So it is 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to have you do 17 and 18 after we finish here. You can do those on your own. Let's go down to number 19. And this time you need to write the o'clock, okay? You can hardly see the hour hand. It is right on top of the minute hand. They are both pointing up to the 12, which means it is 12 o'clock. That's so messy. Okay. Now, how would you write that on a digital clock? Right, we're going to take our hour first, 12. And how many minutes? 0. 0. Okay. And where is the hour hand pointing on this one? Very good. Can you write 5 o'clock? And then can you write 5 o'clock down here? All right. And I'm going to have you finish number 21 and 22 on your own. Let's turn to the back. It says, draw the clock hands. Draw the hands on each analog clock and write the time on each digital clock below. 7 o'clock. This is our hour. We're going to I'm going to mark the hours with blue. Okay, so our hour hand, remember that's our short one. It's going to point straight at the 7. And then I'm going to mark our minute hand with the red. O'clock means it's going to be right up there pointing to the 12. And I know that my lines are a little bit crooked. You can make yours straighter. So this analog clock now says 7 o'clock. And if I want to write that on a digital clock, it would look like this. 7, 0, 0. So remember that we are going to do the hour hand first. 11. And remember the hour hand is the short one. It is not going to go all the way up to the number. And then our minute hand, o'clock. Can you write 11 o'clock? You will finish the last one, 2 o'clock on your own. Oh, actually you get to finish the rest of them. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Please finish those on your own and have mom or dad, grandma or grandpa, whoever's helping you with your homework, check that. When you are done, you can type your name in the text box on Canvas and I will know that you have completed your assignment. See you tomorrow.